He has spent his time with our doctors physically today, and together we say this to all of you and to all our countrymen. As we know, Saurabh came to Woodlands Emergency on Saturday, 2nd of January at 1 p.m. with chest pain, chest discomfort, heaviness of head, vomiting and a spell of dizziness while doing his physical exercise at home gymnasium at around 11 a.m. His ECG and echocardiography showed changes. He has no known comorbidities but had strong family history of ischemic heart disease. We did his COVID test, which was negative, and we admitted him in the critical care, in the monitored bed. We took him to the cath lab at 3 p.m. and coronary angiography was done. We found he had triple vessel disease and 3 of his coronary arteries had some blocks. We did primary PTCA stenting of the right coronary artery, the culprit artery, through the radial route, and then blood flow were established. He was hemodynamically stable, and today is his post-PTCA day 3. We reconfirm the consensus decision from the very experienced medical board with 13 members and 2 expert opinions, total 15 doctors from abroad and India, that we have decided that Saurabh will be discharged from hospital tomorrow, January 6th, 2021. He will be on oral medications and will be monitored by doctors and nurses on a daily basis at home. Saurabh will, of course, will be ready for the next course of procedures or medical interventions after about 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you all. I would like Dr. Shetty to talk to you all now. Dr. Shetty.
Thanks Rupali. Thanks a lot for the opportunity. First of all, I would like to apologize to all my media friends who have been phoning me for the last 2-3 days, and I haven't been able to take their call and discuss about Saurabh, mainly because you all must understand that I'm a doctor involved in the patient care, and I have no right to divulge any information about the patient without his consent. So please forgive me if I have not taken your call. First, I would like to congratulate the wonderful team of doctors who have taken care of Saurabh at the right time. They have done a fantastic job. If Saurabh was in any part of the first world countries, he wouldn't have got any better care than what he has received here in Calcutta in this hospital. So I would like to congratulate the entire team and the management of Woodlands Hospital and all the doctors who supported Saurabh throughout his recovery. Now, what problem Saurabh had? Saurabh didn't have any major problem. This is the problem which most Indians experience at some point of their time. That is blockage in the coronary artery. Did he have a heart damage? No. He had a blockage and he was getting some discomfort, but at the right time he landed in the right hospital and he had the right treatment. So his heart is today as strong as it was when Saurabh was 20 years old. So I would like everyone to understand that he didn't have a major cardiac event which has damaged his heart. He has a very, very strong heart. And will this event have any impact on his life for the future? Certainly not. Saurabh, with the right care he has received so far and the care he is going to receive in the future, he is going to lead a normal life like anybody else. This event should not affect his lifestyle or the lifespan. Now, which are the doctors who took part in his care? He is blessed in having a wonderful team of doctors based here. Dr. Mandal, Dr. Aftab Khan, Woodlands team under Rupali, his friends Saptarshi, Babtosh Bishwas, SP Roy, Dr. Panda, the intensivist, And also, you must realize that Saurabh is a national asset. Any doctor we ask for help and guidance, they forgot everything of their daily routine, came out of the way to help Saurabh. This is the regard and the respect and the admiration they have towards Saurabh. Now, who are those doctors? When Saurabh had the problem, we wanted to consult the top heart doctors in the country and outside the country. We consulted Dr. Ramakant Panda from Asian Heart Institute in Bombay. We consulted Dr. Ashok Seth, who is one of the senior cardiologists of the country from Fortis Escorts Hospital. We consulted Dr. Matthew from Apollo Madras. We consulted Dr. Sanjay Mehrotra, our cardiologist in our hospital in Bangalore. Then we consulted Dr. Shameen Sharma, who is a senior cardiologist in US, and Dr. Ashwin Mehta from Bombay. You name the doctors, we have consulted, and whatever treatment Saurabh has received is not dictated by any one of the single doctor here. It was a collective decision of people who have spent 20 years, 30 years in managing the heart. So he has received the best care one can hope for in any part of the world. Now, the consensus opinion among all the doctors is that he had an angioplasty, he should go home and get back to work.